Colonel Viga. I'm really, really, really proud of you. You see this? Ang galing, you know, Ash, I truly want to say that I truly appreciate you, you know. And starting my journey, you know, I wouldn't have wished to done with anyone else. You are not only a blessing to my life, but a blessing to many others here today. So that being said, thank you. Nagulat ka ba? Nagulat ka ba?
Oo, na-speechless ako. Wala akong masabi, pero proud na proud din ako sa'yo. And sobrang happy ko din na ikaw yung kasama ko